Here's what's going on. If you search on Amazon.com.au for travel pillow, you will see the Amazon's choice for travel pillow is this particular thing here from Memory Mate, and it is $26.99 on Amazon using Prime. Okay, now if I click through, I've now got the before price, so what we can think of as the RRP, and the sale price. Okay, now Amazon has said that they don't want to do that anymore, because Amazon has said now they just want to show the price. So for a long time, you couldn't get a before RRP and after sale price to show up on your listings, all right? And which was a pain. And indeed, if we go back, you still can't get it here. However, you can get it on the bestsellers list here. You can see here, for instance, that there's a before and after price. So it really does stand out and make a difference on the search results page to be able to include that. And it also makes a difference on the product page to be able to include that, all right? So the question is, how the hell do you do it? Well, what you have to do is, in your Amazon Seller Central, what they have done is they have hidden the area where you put the normal price. It's now been hidden. So you've got to go look for the manufacturer's suggested retail price, MSRP. You've got to go look for that, and it's on your product detail page when you're doing your listing, or even easier if you use a flat file and download the flat file from Amazon. It's in there, so it's even easier using a flat file to do this. There's a couple of different hacks like that using flat files, and so you put it in there, and be very, very careful though. Here's why. Do not have, like you can see here, it was 29 and now it's 26. Well, that's okay. That's not too much of a drop. But if you make it like 50%, it was $150 and now it's only $26, then you'll get in trouble for sure, all right? Because Amazon then says, well, that you're just gaming our sale system, and they don't like that. So be careful of that. But that sort of thing, was 29, now it's 26. That's a-okay. That's only a 10% discount, and that's a-okay. So, Hiten, that's how you do it, and that's the benefit of doing it, and that's how not to get in trouble when you use my little hack to do it. I hope that helps. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales have used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.